What's up, guys? Today I'm 7 and we're celebrating my birthday here at the Boys and Girls Club, and so there's gonna be Nerf War and all kinds of cool games like turn press practice. Right now we're having it, and so I'm gonna have a GoPro on my gun, so it's gonna be awesome. It's the end of the episode, and I had a blast at my birthday party. I'm turning 7, and there was a bunch of cool games like Capture the Flag, Free for All, where you just had to shoot people, and then we played against the Dads. We won, but they won 2 times, so I had a lot of fun. Hope my friends did also, and hope you liked the video. So, pound!